Hello. Good morning, grade 4 students. How are you? Teacher Jenny is good. Welcome to our online learning class in English, grade 4 students. This is English with teacher Jenny. Okay, for today, we will talk about week number 9. Let's talk about shapes. I'll be teaching you a short song about shapes. The title is Shapes Everywhere. Okay, let's try to read it first, then let's put the tune. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Let's try to put the tune, okay? And sing slowly. Sing with me. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Now let's try it with music, okay? Let's try it with music. Let's go to YouTube. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Shapes, shapes, shapes are everywhere. Triangles and circles, rectangles and squares. Okay. Now that is our short song. Now let's go to learning about shapes. Let's start with the first one. What shape is this? Can you tell me? This one is circle. Let's spell it together. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. As you can see, the circle doesn't have any sides. Remember, circle doesn't have sides, okay? And let's go to the next one. So after identifying the shapes, I'll give you an example. Some objects that has the same shape, like the first one. Let's try circle. This one is, yes, it's a circle shape. This one is a wheel. Next one we have, what's this? This is a clock. Okay, both of the objects, they are circle, wheel, and clock. Next one. Do you know what shape is this? This is an oval. Okay, oval. Let's spell it together. That's O-V-A-L. Oval. Great. As you can see, the same as the square or the same as the circle, an oval doesn't have any sides. An oval doesn't have any sides, and it's like a circle and it's flat. Okay. And I'll give you some examples. Example number one, as you can see, this one is a watermelon. Watermelon is an oval shape. We have egg. Egg is an oval shape. Next one. Do you know what shape is this? This is a square. Square. Let's spell it together. That's S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square. Great. Now I'll give you an example. As you can see in the first picture, this one is a square shape. Now what kind of object is this? Can you help me? This is a picture frame. A picture frame is a square shape. Okay, and the other one, as you can see, this one is a gift box. Gift box. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. This one is a triangle. Very good. You need to pronounce the word properly. This is a triangle. Let's spell it together, okay? Triangle. Triangle. Very good. Let's go to some examples. Number one is, this one is my favorite. This is pizza. Okay, next one. The brown one, this one is a mountain. Okay, triangle. Example number one is pizza, and we have mountain. Next shape. This one is a diamond. Okay, I wanted to inform you that a diamond, it has, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It has 4 sides. This one is a diamond. Let's spell it together. That's D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Great. Another example here. A kite. Very good. K-I-T-E. Kite. As you can see, this one is a diamond shape, right? It has 4 sides. Next. Do you know what shape is this? Let's count the sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This one is a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Let's spell trapezoid together. T-R-A-P-E-Z-O-I-D. Trapezoid. Great. An example of trapezoid shape is this one. This is a lamp. A lamp. Okay, as you can see, the shape of the lamp, it has 4 sides. Next. How many sides does it have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. This one is a hexagon. Hexagon. Okay, we call it hexagon because hexa, it means 6. Okay, remember? Hexa, it means 6. And this one has 6 sides. Let's spell hexagon together. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon. Okay, what are the examples? This one is a hexagon glasses. As you can see, the shape is like a hexagon, right? It has 6 sides. Next, your favorite, star. A star, it has how many sides? Let's try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. And it has 5 little triangles. Okay. And let's spell star together. That is S-T-A-R. Okay, an example here is star earrings. They are beautiful, right? Star earrings. Next one, it looks like a moon, right? This one is actually, they call it moon because it's the same as the size of the moon, right? It looks like a quarter of a moon, or we actually call it crescent moon. Crescent. One more time. Crescent. Great. Crescent moon. Now, an example, look. This one is an inverted banana. Banana, right? It looks like a quarter of the moon. The shape is it looks like a quarter of the moon. Next one, there's another example here. Let's count the sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And this one is called pentagon. Pentagon. Okay, let's spell pentagon together. That is P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. An example of pentagon here, pentagon object is a birdhouse. Look, it has 5 sides. This birdhouse is shaped as a pentagon shape. Next one, we have this rectangle. Rectangle. Most of the shapes that we have, most of them, they are rectangle. In rectangle, it has 4 sides. Now, an example here is a mail. As you can see, it looks like square, but it's actually stretched. It is stretched. So, this one is a rectangle. Okay, nice try, everyone. Now, let's practice. I have scrambled the letters, and can you help me identify the shapes? Okay, I have here first shape, number 1. Shape number 1, we have G-N-O-E-H-A-X. What shape is this? I'll give you a clue. It has 6 sides. If your answer is hexagon, you're correct. Next one. It has 4 sides. Let's try. Can you answer it? If your answer is trapezoid, you're right. Next. It has 5 sides. What kind of shape is this? Can you check the spelling? Pentagon. Next one. It doesn't have any sides. It's a circle. Good job, everyone. I hope you learned something about the shapes. Now, for today, we will going to learn our worksheet for July 29th. We have 2 worksheets. Worksheet number 1, we have some choices below. As you can see, we have 3, 6, 9, 12 choices. And you have 12 items to answer. Now, match the words with the correct picture. As you can see, picture number 1 is a circle. Make sure to put the correct spelling of the word. Circle. Next, number 2, you need to answer and find the correct spelling here. Now, worksheet number 2, the words are unscrambled. Okay, are scrambled actually, and you need to unscramble them. Now, I helped you with number 1. The answer is circle. This is 1 to 10 items. Okay, this will be easy for you. Now, after answering the worksheet, we will be doing our test. Now, we have here A, B, C. We have 3 directions. Now, test letter A. Choose the correct picture that goes with the underlined words. Now, here, this is about parts of the body. And number 1, it says touch your head. What picture shows that he is touching his head? We have A, B, C, D. Now you need to choose one letter and put here. Next, letter B. Choose the correct picture that goes with the sentence. This is about clothes topic. Now you need to identify what he or she is wearing. Example number 5. He is wearing a cap. So we have letter A, B, and C. Now, who among this wears a cap? A cap, okay, not a hat. A cat. Now put the letter in the space provided. This is page 11. Let's go to page number 12. Now page number 12. Still, you need to choose the correct pictures from 8, 9, 10. Number 1, I get up. What picture shows that he just got up? Select the letter from A to C and put it after the number. After you answer the worksheets, take a picture and put it in the album. Don't forget to put your number, okay? Or your nickname. That will be all for today, everyone. I hope you learned something from Teacher Jenny. Keep safe, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.